What's up everybody, this is Real Cool Games. So I'm gonna show you in this one how to install your package for Battleground Battle Hub. So this one is the only one that I was able to play, but couldn't do World Tour or this one, Fighting Ground, which is where you get all your characters. So what I did, and I was trying to look for a YouTube video, I actually couldn't find any video, but I did find on Reddit that I'm not trying to find the person who did it so I can give credit, but I couldn't find the name. But so whoever did it, whoever wrote it, didn't make a video, but they wrote it, and this is how we get this one to be activated and this one to be activated. So this is what you do. Okay, you have to be on the home screen. So let me close the game for now. So you do have to go to this screen right here, right, where you see all your stuff, and then you have to go to the game. Once you're in the game, you're gonna press the option button. You're gonna go to this part. Let me zoom in here. You're gonna have to go to manage content. Okay, so we're gonna go to manage content. And once you go to manage content, that's where you're gonna get the options to download Street Fighter 6 Fighting Ground and the Street Fighter 6 World Tour. That's the only way to do it. I don't know why Street Fighter made it so hard for us to download this stuff. I almost give up, and I was about to sell the game, and I was about to like buy the digital version, because I was like, how do you get it installed? But anyways, I made a video to help you guys out. I hope this was helpful. That's how you do it. I already have installed, so I'm not gonna uninstall it, but that's how you do it. So you go to the game, then you press the option button. I press the option button, and then go to manage game content, and then you download it from there. Like I said, I don't know why they made it so difficult, but they probably tell you guys can buy the DLCs and stuff like that. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.